What up everyone, welcome to Eman United Unity tutorial videos, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the player not stuck to the wall when the player jump next to it. It's gonna be a quick, fast, easy video. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let me show you what I mean. Alright, let's click play. Alright, let's jump over here. Alright, as you can see, when you jump to the side, you see it's stuck to the wall. Like if you keep pressing the jump button, it won't go anywhere unless you remove your hand to the arrow key, and then it will fall down, like it gets stuck. And then now we're gonna fix it. We're gonna put something in there so it won't be stuck to the side of the wall. Alright, let's click on our player and let's go in materials. Let's click create, and right here let's click on physics materials. Alright, let's write player. Let's just write player physics. Alright, and then let's, on the dynamic friction, let's keep it at 0, static friction 0, and then on the friction combined, let's leave it at minimum. Let's keep this minimum and let's click save. Alright, and let's click on player. Let's, on the capsule collider, on the collider, let's drag the physics and then let's put it here. Alright, and then let's click play. Alright, jump here and jump to the side. As you can see, it doesn't stuck to the side anymore, it just fall right down. Let's give it a play. Let's see it again. Okay, we jump here and then we go to the side and then it just slide down. It doesn't stuck anymore. Congratulations guys, we made the player not to stuck to the wall. And thank you for watching, and remember, if you think this video is helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Peace.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.